Click and subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon for latest update. Thanks. Welcome back friends, Tech for Review presents another review. Today we will review OnePlus 5T. The OnePlus 5T, as the name suggests, isn't a completely new handset, rather, it's an incremental upgrade of the OnePlus 5. This makes the OnePlus 5T cheaper than pretty much all of its flagship rivals, but significantly the difference in spec between them is the smallest it's ever been. However, the OnePlus 5T is now officially off sale from OnePlus in the US, UK and Europe as the company prepares itself for the arrival of the new OnePlus 6 on May 16. Stock still remains at select retailers and carriers, but it's not as easy to come by as it once was, and you're best holding off buying a new 5T for now, as it will be worth waiting to see what the OnePlus 6 brings. Number 1. Display. The single biggest change on the OnePlus 5T is the display, with the handset boasting a 6.01-inch Full HD AMOLED panel with a 18:9 aspect ratio that follows this year's trend of elongated screens on the iPhone X, Google Pixel 2 XL, Samsung Galaxy S8 and LG V30. OnePlus has once again opted to stick with a Full HD resolution, at 1080x2160 with a 401 ppi pixel density, while rivals all boast QHD, 2K, displays. Number 2. Design. The bigger display has had a knock-on effect in terms of the design of the OnePlus 5T, with the bezels above and below the screen getting slimmed down to provide a sleeker look and an 80.5% screen-to-body ratio. That reduction in bezel has necessitated another design change too, with the fingerprint scanner and physical navigation keys disappearing from the front of the phone. The OnePlus 5T continues with the premium metal unibody design of the phone. Number 3. Performance and hardware. The OnePlus 5T is packing a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, 6/8 GB of RAM, and 64/128 GB of storage. These are still top-of-the-line components, even 6 months after the release of the OnePlus 5, so you're not missing out on the cutting edge this time around either. Naturally, the OnePlus 5T is incredibly snappy for a phone in this price range, and is possibly the best bang for your buck available. Number 4. Camera. The OnePlus 5T. OnePlus removed the telephoto 1.6x secondary camera in favor of a 20MP 1x camera that uses groups of 4 pixels to perform better in low light. They've retained the quick jump 2x zoom button from the OnePlus 5, though this time it is all being handled via software as opposed to the mix of optical and software-assisted zoom in the OnePlus 5. This change is a trade-off you're seriously going to have to consider for yourself, since low-light performance vs optical zoom is a very personal preference.